Hey everyone, we've added new improvements to our importing feature in Stackby. Now, once you import your CSV file, it can auto-detect the columns and you can change it on the fly before you import it into Stackby. So now you can move from a basic CSV spreadsheet to a database in Stackby in less than a minute. Now let's see how it works. So you basically click on import data, add your CSV file, upload. So it'll start detecting the columns and it will see it in a tabular format like this. So now you can change the different column types. This will be seen as a default text column type. So now if I want to change this to, let's say, a single option field, status also goes to a single option field, channel goes to a single option field, the concept goes to, let's say, long text field, this goes to a URL field, matrix goes to a number field. So I can essentially change the different field types on the fly as we go. I can also choose to adjust my import. If I don't want to see a particular column being imported from my CSV file, I can essentially hide them, right? So it won't take. Or I can even, if I select auto select field types, so if you basically toggle this on, so it will automatically change this into a field type that the system predicts. But here we have toggled it off and we've chosen it manually. So once this is done, you can import your data. So that's it. So you can import the CSV file and you will see that all those column types that you added are essentially already being imported as that particular field type. So you don't have to change it later one by one. You can essentially import it right away and change the column types on the fly. So let us know what you think about this improvement. And we are going to add similar improvements to our append CSV module, where if you're adding the data into the same table, it will also automap it within your table. So let us know what you think.